Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Sage Tech. Here is a very exciting news today. Huawei just launched Nova 7 Pro and Nova 7 in China. Today I'm gonna share with you the watching unboxing experience of Nova 7 and Nova 7 Pro. And I'll give my first impression with full specification and camera review. Don't skip, watch the video till the end. It will be a lot of fun. So let's start. Huawei Nova 7 brings with very stunning and gorgeous look, so let's have a look at the unboxing of the device. This phone is in mid-range and have a very good features in it. This Nova 7 are available in various colors. All the colors satisfy the users with premium feel. Here's the 40-watt fast charger. This Nova 7 has 6.5 inches OLED capacitive touchscreen, 16 multiple colors with 89.6% screen to body ratio with full HD display. It's approximately 392 ppi density. This display looks very premium and very smooth to use. This Nova 7 with 178 gram and with Android 10 EMUI 10 with HMS. Here is no Google Play service here. This device has a very good processor with octa-core 1.84 GHz Cortex F55. This Nova 7 brings with two variants. One is 8GB 128GB and the other is 8GB 256GB. This Huawei phone has very good camera features with 64 megapixel wide-angle camera with periscope, telephoto 8 megapixel and the other hand 8 megapixel ultra wide and 2 megapixel macro camera. Here it is, the selfie camera is 32 megapixel wide and 8 megapixel ultra wide angle camera with HDR to 160p. While you can use it 4K videos very easily. This device on hand looks very premium, and here is the Type-C cable also. This Huawei Nova 7 is very good smartphone. Basically it looks like as a mid-range handset, but specification look on the high-end though. It has a very good battery backup as well. This mobile has capacity of 4500 mAh battery and full support fast battery charging 40 watt. This Nova 7 mobile uses the chipset known as High Silicon Carbon 995. This device supported Bluetooth 5.0 and Wi-Fi 820.11 AVG. And maybe the price of the mobile expected is $520. The gaming performance of this device is just awesome. Without using this or without gaming on this device, you can't imagine or feel the smoothness of this device. And in this device you can play every game with high definition quality as well. It's very looks premium and feeling premium. Hope you enjoy the video. I will try to more better on my upcoming videos. By the way, if you are new in my channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button and press the bell icon for all latest technology news and mobile updates. Now here I took some photos of Nova 7 and Nova 7 Pro and the comparison between Nova 7 and Nova 7 Pro and Oppo SE2. In this photo is slightly better that Nova 7 Pro is looking very good on every photo. Then it feels like Nova 7 than Oppo SE2. On the ultra wide angle camera, Nova 7 Pro is slightly not good. On the other hand, Oppo SE2 is the better performance in this situation. So good luck, stay home, stay safe.